Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Miftahul Tamrat Wujana from the English Education Study Program with Raden Fatah Palembang. Today, I would like to present my research entitled The Correlations Among Students Writing Self-Regulations, Writing Anxiety, and Writing Performance of 12th grade students in Palembang. And the first, background of the study. Writing is one of the most important skills in learning English because students need to express ideas clearly in written forms. However, writing is not easy, especially for EFL students or students who learn English as a foreign language. Students must think about grammar, vocabulary, organizations, and content at the same time. Some students are afraid of making mistakes, lack confidence, and feel anxious during writing activities. As a result, their writing performance becomes low. Therefore, this study focuses on two important factors that might influence writing performance. First, writing self-regulations and writing anxiety. For research variables. First, writing self-regulations. Writing self-regulations refers to students' ability to control and manage their own writing process. Students who have good self-regulations usually plan before writing, make writing goals, monitor their progress, and evaluate their own work. For example, students reverse grammar mistakes, organize ideas carefully, and manage writing time effectively. According to Zimmerman, self-regulated students tend to become more successful learners. Second, writing anxiety. Writing anxiety is a feeling of fear, nervousness, or worry when students do writing tasks in English. Students with high writing anxiety usually are afraid of making mistakes, avoid writing activities, lose confidence, and become stressed during writing tasks. These conditions can negatively influence their writing quality because anxiety reduces concentrations and motivation. And third, writing performance. Writing performance means the quality of students' writing. In this study, writing performance was assessed based on content, organizations, vocabulary, language use or grammar, and mechanics such as punctuations and spelling. Next, research gap. Many previous studies only discussed the relationships between self-regulations and writing performance, or writing anxiety and writing performance separately. However, very few studies investigated the three variables simultaneously. In addition, studies about writing self-regulations and writing anxiety in Indonesian senior high schools, especially in Palembang, are still limited. Therefore, this research tries to fill the gap by examining the correlations among all three variables together. Next, research problems. This study has four research problems. First, to find out whether writing self-regulations has a significant relationship with writing performance. Second, to investigate whether writing anxiety has a significant relationship with writing performance. Third, to examine the relationships between writing self-regulations and writing anxiety. And fourth, to identify whether the three variables are simultaneously correlated. Next, research objectives. The objectives of this study are similar to the research problems. This study aims to identify the relationships between writing self-regulations and writing performance. Identify the relationships between writing anxiety and writing performance. Identify the relationship between writing self-regulations and writing anxiety, and examines the simultaneous relationships among the three variables. Next, theoretical framework. This study used several important theories. First is Zimmerman's theory of self-regulated learning. Zimmerman explained that successful learners usually set goals, monitor their learning, and evaluate their learning outcomes. Second is Daly and Miller's theory about writing anxiety that states that anxiety and negatively affects students' confidence and writing achievement. Third is Jacobs et al.'s writing assessment rubric. This rubric evaluates writing based on content, organizations, vocabulary, language use, and mechanics. Next, research methods. This study used a quantitative correlational design because the researchers wanted to examine the relationships among variables. The study was conducted at SMA N16 Palembang and SMA Adadiah Palembang. The populations consisted of 212 grade students. Using proportional stratified random sampling, the research selected the populations consisted of 218 12th grade students. Using proportional stratified random sampling, the researchers selected 141 students as the sample. The data were analyzed using APM-SPSS statistic versions 25-stroke descriptive statistics, normality test, persons product moment correlations, and multiple regressions analysis. And next, research instrument. The study used 3 instruments. First, the writing self-regulations questionnaires consisting of 24 items using a 5-point Likert scale. Second, the writing appraisals test or WAT consisting of 26 items to measure students' writing anxiety. Third, a writing performance test where students wrote at 2000 until 2050 words expository is essay within 16 minutes. The writing was assessed by 2 raters using Jacobs et al. Scoring rubric. The inter-rater reliability results was high, which means the scoring was reliable. Next, hypothesis. This study proposes 4 hypotheses. First, states that there is a positive correlation between writing self-regulations and writing performance. Next, states that 3 is a negative correlation between writing anxiety and writing performance. Next, states that 3 is a negative correlation between writing self-regulations and writing anxiety. And next, states that 3 is a simultaneous correlation among writing self-regulations, writing anxiety, and writing performance. And the last, conclusions. In conclusions, this study highlights that writing performance is influenced not only by language ability, but also by psychological and self-regulatory factors. Students who can manage and monitor their writing process are expected to perform better in writing tasks. Meanwhile, students with high writing anxiety may experience lower writing performance because anxiety affects confidence, focus, and motivation. In addition, students with strong self-regulations are likely to experience lower anxiety during writing activities. Therefore, teachers should help students improve both writing skills and psychological readiness in learning writing. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.